In this video, we're going to make it so when you click the Submit button, Flash checks to see if all of these areas were filled out. If they are, it will go to the correct frame label. If they're not, it will go to the error frame label. Then we'll make this back button work. Go to the Actions frame that you applied the stop action to and open up the Actions panel. Type MC_form dot btn underscore submit dot on release with capital R space equals space function open and close parenthesis colon void with capital V. Press enter, open bracket, enter again, close bracket, up arrow, enter. Now we're going to use a conditional statement, so Flash will check to see if any of the form areas are empty. Type if open parenthesis, remember you type the condition within the parentheses. Type MC_form dot txt_ name dot text space equals space open quote close parenthesis. So this is saying if the name text field, that's right here, remember it's inside of MC_form. Remember the double equal sign means is equal to and only equal to nothing. That's what the open and close parenthesis mean. There's no value inside of that text field. And then do something. Type enter, open bracket, enter again, close bracket, up arrow, enter. Now type underscore root, remember that's the main timeline, dot go to, and with a capital A, stop with a capital S, open parenthesis, open quote, error, close parenthesis. So if you press the submit button and the name field is not filled out, then the main timeline, indicated by underscore root, will go to and stop at the error frame label. We'll tell you didn't fill out all the fields. Now don't worry, we'll apply this to everything in just a minute, to every field. If you don't fill out something in any field, it will go to the error. We'll do that in just a minute. After the close bracket, press enter and then type else. Enter again, open bracket, enter, close bracket, up arrow, enter, get within those brackets. Type underscore root dot go to and stop, capital A, capital S, open parenthesis, open quote, correct, close quote, close parenthesis. So now if you put in anything in the name text field, it will go to the correct frame label. Test your movie, make sure it's working right. Okay, remember there's a dynamic text block with no text in it here. Notice the cursor changes when I roll over it, so that's on the correct one. If I test the movie again, I don't put anything in the name field, click submit, get the error message. Now we'll make it so it happens if any field is not filled in. What we're going to use to do that is called a logical OR operator. Let me demonstrate, and that will kind of explain it. After the open and close quotes of your MC_form.text line, the condition of the conditional statement, type a space, then hold Shift, press backspace to make those lines. And that means OR. That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to select from the close quote all the way to the beginning of that statement. Press Ctrl+C to copy. I'm going to press space, paste that code there. Where it says txt_name.text, I'm going to change it to txt_email.text. So that if that equals nothing. So now it's saying if the name text equals nothing or the email text equals nothing, then it will do this. Now we'll type one more. Type another OR statement, paste again. and now say comments instead of name. Now test the movie. I'm not going to leave anything in comments and see what happens. There we go, it works. Now we'll set up the back button so it works properly. In the Actions layer, go above the Error frame label. Press F7 to create a blank keyframe. Open up the Actions panel. Type btn underscore back dot on release with capital R space equals space function open and close parenthesis colon void with capital V enter open bracket enter again close bracket up arrow enter. Now type go to and with capital A stop with capital S open parenthesis 1 close parenthesis semicolon. Now test the movie and make sure it works. There we go. Basically what you learned in this video is how to use the logical OR operator. In the next video we're going to send the results using load vars and we'll make the correct text display.